Hi, Julia.
Hello, Dr. Yu.
It's November 1st, 2013. So we have been doing treatment for 10 months since January. Can you share with us what's your progress after these 3 treatment programs?
Yeah, my progress has been amazing. This has been my 3rd treatment here in Vancouver at the Wellspring Clinic, and I've noticed that after when I came for the 2nd time here, I had some fluctuations before I came for the 2nd time, but after the 2nd treatment, between the 2nd and the 3rd treatment, there had been almost no fluctuations. There had been some days where I would see a little bit more, a little bit less, but it was much more stable. So I was very happy that it was more stable, that it's really stable. And now during this treatment we have worked a lot on night vision and on more sharpness, because as after the 1st treatment I can see 180, even a little bit more degrees.
Yeah, more than 180 degrees, your left,
Yeah.
right, yeah.
So actually what I would have expected was achieved already some months ago, and now we could work a little bit more on the night vision. And I'm very glad, because even in the dark I can see many things, many letters I can read from a distance, many letters, and I wouldn't have even expected this before, to be able to see in the dark, because my first goal was to be able to see in the day. That's the most important.
Yep.
But this is not a concern anymore anyway, so
Yeah, in January, your visual field is only about 5 degrees, left, right,
Exactly.
together. Yeah.
Exactly.
So now you're 180 degrees.
Yeah.
Top, down, left, right.
Yes. Yes.
So with that kind of visual field change, what's the difference that made in your life?
Well, that made a big difference in my life. That is, it's like a new sense that you rediscover, even if you didn't notice before that you had such need for it. Because now I can notice much more things. I can notice people winking from somewhere that I would haven't noticed before. Even here, as I was thinking before, there was a handbag. I would have sitten on the handbag.
On the chair.
On the chair. And would have had to excuse myself. It's a little bit always disappointing when you are sitting on other people's things, and when you are not noticing people on the street or their hands, or you are just not only clumsy, but you are afraid always to not notice something. It can also be dangerous, but now I can see those things, and it's very comfortable. I feel very comfortable, because for people with RP it's always difficult to say how good do you see today. For me, I always notice is it comfortable for me today or not. And if I feel comfortable in a shop, on a street, then I see, okay, now I see better, see much better.
So like in the shopping centers?
Yeah.
You feel the difference?
Yeah. I see things that are on the sides. I see people coming. Before, it was very difficult for me to see if someone is coming from the other side. Maybe that would also be a little bit rude. I would have not moved myself, because I wouldn't have noticed that people are coming. And now I can see them before they want to go through the same way than me. So that's very comfortable.
So your central vision is already 2016, better than 2020, without glasses. Yeah.
Yes. So I was supposed some years ago to wear glasses all the time. So now I can go without glasses. This is also
It's a plus.
comfortable. Yeah.
Yeah. How's the glare to the sunlight? Do you still feel any?
I didn't have much glare before, and now I have less. I always look to put sunglasses, of course, as precaution, but it doesn't disturb me.
Yeah, the only problem you left is the night vision.
Yeah.
It's still not perfect,
It's still not perfect,
but
so
better than before.
Better than before.
What's the change in night vision compared with 10 months ago?
Yeah, if there is a dim light in a room, I can see the objects. Even if I don't see them immediately, I don't have to search for the light. I can just take some seconds and then I see the object. So
Okay.
I make some tests.
So that when turn off the light, you can see the furniture, things like
Yes, I can see the furniture,
Mm.
and I can see even smaller objects.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, like, and what's the difference you see in Julia's change in the past 10 months?
Well, in the past 10 months, of course, the biggest change that occurred after our first visit, I would say, it was never disturbing for me in any way, but of course it happened from time to time that Julia might have not seen a stool or might not have bumped into a chair or something like that, but I can surely say that that has gotten a lot less, and it used to be a precaution thing that we would always walk together. Of course, we still love to walk together, but nowadays it's not as important anymore out of caution reasons, because Julia can find her way very well without my help. And yes, I can just more or less once again confirm what my wife just told you now.
Yeah.
And we're very pleased about it.
So with your vision, Julia, I think you can drive now. Are you ready to take driving license?
Oh, I don't know. It wasn't even my goal, but when I hear that it would be possible, it's not bad. It would be not bad.
Yeah, you have almost perfect visual field.
Yeah.
So congratulations.
Thank you very much, Dr. Yu. Thank you very much for the whole treatment that took the many stages that it needed. After the first treatment, we had already a very good result. Then we had a stabilization during the second, and we had a perfection during the third.
Yeah. So it's not only getting better, it's stable now. So let's stop the treatment for a year and see after a year we can re-examine to see how's your vision.
Yes, with pleasure. So see you in 1 year.
See you.